Hello teacher, today I would like to talk about my biggest achievement. My biggest achievement happened more than 10 years ago. In 2013, I passed the entrance exam and entered the mechanical and mechatronics engineering department at Ho Chi Minh City University of Technology. Before the exam, I studied math, physics, and chemistry very hard. My teachers at Chagao High School always encouraged me and gave me a lot of support. During my final years of high school, I spent many hours every day studying and practicing for the university entrance exam. When the exam day came, I traveled to Ho Chi Minh City by bus by myself. Before the exam, I felt very nervous and excited. However, I stayed calm and did my best. After many years of hard work, I finished all three subjects with confidence. After the exam, I waited for the result with hope. I also felt worried. Finally, when I checked my score, I was very happy and proud of myself. My score was not very high, but it was enough to enter the department that I had always dreamed of. I believe this was the biggest turning point in my life. It gave me the opportunity to study mechanical engineering, become a mechanical design engineer, and working in Japan today. This experience taught me that hard work, patience, and perseverance can help us achieve our dreams. Since then, I have always believed that if I keep learning, work hard, and never give up, I can achieve even bigger goals in the future. I am very grateful to my parents, my teachers, and everyone who helped me during that important time. This is my biggest achievement, and I will always be proud of it. Thank you for listening. See you later.